In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the macro security level in Excel. To get started, open Excel on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your start menu, or however you normally launch the app. Once Excel is open, we'll head into the settings area where macro security options are managed. At the top left of the Excel window, click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you can access account settings, save options, and application preferences. From the menu on the left, select Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can customize how Excel behaves. In the left pane of the Options window, click Trust Center. The Trust Center is where Excel stores important security and privacy settings, including settings for macros, external content, and trusted documents. Next, click Trust Center Settings. A separate Trust Center window will open, giving you access to more detailed security controls. In the left pane of that window, click Macro Settings. This is the section where you can choose how Excel handles VBA macros. If you work with spreadsheets that contain automation, forms, or custom buttons, this is the setting that determines whether those macros can run. You'll now see several macro security options. The first option is Disable VBA macros without notification. This blocks all macros completely and does not show any warning message. It's the strictest option and is useful if you never want macros to run. The next option is Disable VBA macros with notification. This is a common choice because it blocks macros by default but still gives you a warning, so you can enable them when you trust the workbook. The third option is Disable VBA macros except digitally signed macros. With this setting, only macros from trusted publishers are allowed to run. This can be a good balance if your organization uses signed files. The last option is Enable VBA macros, which is not recommended because potentially dangerous code can run. This allows all macros to run without restriction, so it should only be used if you fully understand the risks. After choosing the option you want, click OK to close the Trust Center window. Then click OK again in the Excel Options window to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully adjusted the macro security level in Excel. As a quick tip, if you're unsure which setting to use, the notification option is often the safest everyday choice because it gives you flexibility without fully opening the door to unsafe macros.